this is the reception. Down here is where you get the shuttle bus out the door. This is a Compass Club. I think it's like a plus kind of club. And then down here was where the bars and the restaurants were. And down these stairs.
Yeah, either side. There's two different
restaurants.
Pod and I can't remember the other one.
Two restaurants. And then up here then is the reception. On the concierge. We have really lovely trees here and all like nautical themed, so it's really nice. Like look at the clock. And like a treasure chest, really, really fab. And then information, and then over here is the boutique. Where's the thing that you see? It's like this is the Mickey that's on one of the Disney cruises, isn't it? He's really cool. And you can also get him in a little mini version, which I think I want to get. And then look, it says Newport Bay. And then little cups. And this is the Mickey that you can only get at Newport Bay. And the little tops. Look at all of this. Oh, look at this Spirit jersey. That's pretty cool. I like that. They have like a pretty good selection here. All these dolls are so cute. Let's do a room tour. It kind of gives it gives cruise vibes. Doesn't it? It gives like cruise vibes. There we go.
Finally managed to.
Okay. Oh look, already we're getting, look at that now for the details.
Very nice.
So when you come in, this is what it looks like. Real nautical vibes. And then with every Disney thing they always do a,
that's nice,
a welcome.
Cute.
Welcome on board. Oh, it must be the French for
open.
welcome on board. These open.
Ooh.
And it looks like the luggage. And look at this cute, look at Ahoy Travellers.
Oh.
Isn't that cute? And I think it's like a map and gives you all the details. And then look all the way around here. There's like Goofy and Donald and Mickey and Pluto. And then
I haven't even seen the room yet.
Lovely nautical vibes. And then I think this is so cute.
That is
this little
cute.
Mickey and
Isn't
the
it?
little.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that so nice?
See
Those
if that
little
can
details.
Get that focus.
Isn't that so lovely?
That is nice.
Oh, and then we'll be bringing these for the memories. Bringing a pen for the memories.
Oh, is there a pen?
Yeah, I'm Bagsy at my birthday. I'm Bagsy.
Okay,
pen.
fine. Yeah. Okay. I want to
I'm choking. And then
talk of the excitement.
and then look at all this is like luggage. It's all luggage vibes.
Is that
Like old time luggage.
Maker.
Proper
And
coffee
kettle.
maker. Oh look, these must be the coffees then for the coffee maker.
Tea.
That's nice. Oh, I don't know, but oh, if this is a postcard, I Bagsies this for the memories. I wonder could I take this whole thing for the memories?
I'm sure you can.
I'm sure I'll take it for the memories.
It's cute.
Then we have a view of just other rooms, but look how nice it is.
I don't know. We're just getting shiny.
Oh my god, I can see the boat.
It's just shiny now.
We'll have to
I'll tell you that I can.
No, oh my god, you're breaking the boat.
Never mind.
I won't be opening that, but I'll tell you what I can see. In this place here, I can see an indoor pool.
There is an indoor pool.
Well, I can see it. It's right there.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah.
You can't see it, but I tell you, in there is an indoor pool.
That's the job for you now, zooming in on that in the vlog.
I don't know. Yeah, so this is the room,
cute.
and then there's, oh mind yourself, then there's a bathroom in this place. And then as you come in the door, then we have this curtain thing, and then in here then it's like the wardrobe. Oh look, that's like a travel cot, like if you had kids, a travel cot, a safe, an ironing board, and then the hair dryer. That's actually the same hair dryer. Remember I said, and it would look like a vacuum, but it did actually work well. And a nice mirror.
It is nice.
And then the bathroom's actually quite nice, nice and blue. The bathroom's quite nice, nice and blue.
And that is
Blue
nice.
tiles, nice, and look, there's little, look. Oh, these also for the memories. Look at that, how cute.
Very nice.
I'll be taking those for the memories, don't use them.
Lovely.
And then just the toilet behind the door. Well, plenty of room.
Yeah, yes.
Plenty of room. It's a bit echoey in
Lovely.
here. This is really nice, really, really nice. Really like it.
Very cute.
We really like this hotel.